Hello, welcome to the knowledge table. Today I'll be showing you how to use the UI screens of buildbox in buildbox. So you want to go here and create new game, and you want to start with a 2D or 3D game. It doesn't really matter, but I want to go with a 3D game. You can also go with a 2D game because we aren't actually programming our character. We only are putting one node. So after you open it here, you want to go to here, and you know how like when your games only start in a normal game, it says press whatever button to start. So yeah, we're building the start UI screen. So let's come here and name it start UI screen. Now you want to come here to this little thingy, double click it just, and we're in. So as you see, we have a lot of options. So for example, we have this Facebook button which makes it follow your Facebook. You just have to put your Facebook ID and Facebook URL here. And then we have a navigation button which will help us a lot, and a control button, as you see. So we're going to bring this navigation button. And navigation buttons, for example, when you press them, it brings you to, for example, a 3D world, or does something to the 3D world. So let's just delete these images and search UI in the UI assets. And if we do that, it would basically bring almost all the free UI elements, and I would always like to use this one, this, the play that's white sideways triangle. Yeah, so I always use that. Let's add to project. And now you want to come here and hit the edit, and you want to come here to this image and save it. And if you have a gray version of this image, you should totally put here, because image selected means like when you press it, what image it shows. And if you hold it, you can just see the image clear, and the normal image is just how it is without clicking it. So you want to bring a image, so I'm gonna bring one right now. You found this creepy image of this smiley face guy. Also, this is how you add it. You just drag it in and hit image, put image, and yeah, this is my character. But if you see, this is the navigation button, and this is the image. Oh wait, it works. Never mind. So you want to just go out and just make it fit the mobile screen. Perfect. Now you want to bring the navigation button here, and now you want to make it fully fit, and done. You want to go to here, the UI screen place, and you want to hit load in the start load and navigation button to free world. Now let's bring this UI screen and put it right there. And now let's just make it our game UI screen. So let's just duplicate this play thing and put it there. No, actually delete the play copy. So you want to bring in this navigation button, make it 0.5 and delete the image after that. Perfect. So you want to come here and make the, and actually never mind, we don't need the navigation button, like we need a control button. So this is what a control button does. The control button is the one that, for example, you hit and your character moves. So like, you know how the like mobile games don't need a keyboard and have buttons? Yeah, control buttons are that. So we bring it here, make it 0.5, and put it right there. So you want to rotate it 180, no, not 180, 360 I mean. Wait. Can you wait a second? So it turns out you want to make the rotation 180. So it's looking at the other side, and you want to put this default icon play white thingy. As you see, it's a good icon, so you want to duplicate that and make the rotation nothing. As you see, they're right next to each other, so we want to just move it a little bit more further. There we go. So now we want to come here to this control button and name it R. R stands for right. And this, and name this one left. I mean L. Why that? L stands for left. You want to come here and you basically want to go to your character and add UI button. If you search UI button, it brings the exact image of this. So, as you see, it says screen, but we want this to be like, for example, the left button, so we make it L. And then we duplicate that and make it R. And enable to create it, of course. Then you wanna make the X, wait a second. You wanna bring a movement here, move, and it should be around here. There it is. You want to make the Z0, and for right you want to make the X5, duplicate that, and then make the duplicated one -5. Then you want to put -5 to left and 5 only right. So now let's make an enemy. And let's color it red. So now we have this enemy. So let's just put the basics of our character dying. If collide, defeat, defeat, as you see, and enable to collide, enable of collide to create a start, make the if collide to your sphere, and the defeat, then you want to bring this event node. So you want to make it game over. And you want to go to your game UI screen. Also, let's name it game UI screen real quick. Perfect. Now you want to come to the game UI screen and bring an event observer in the add logic. So you want to just bring that right there, and you want to make the event type game over. So now we want to bring another UI screen, and let's name it defeat UI screen. So you want to come here and use the label, the default font. We haven't used this entire video. So a default font, you can basically write on it, for example, game over, and it actually shows it to the player when it comes to this game over screen. And let's just bring my face PNG thingy, and let me just short it, make it shorter, and make it fit. Good. So now you have this game over, and you want to bring this navigation button, make it none, and make it the L thingy, wherever you want to name it. So now you want to bring another default font and the text should be press to restart. Perfect. So you can also come to the Start UI screen and just put the name there, and then press the play there. So now if we open the preview, as you see, I have my creepy guy, and I hit that. It has those two things. I press them, the character moves. And let me just put an enemy there. And let's press play. As we see, we have an enemy there. We collide with. Game over, press to restart. That's the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe to the knowledge table. I hope you enjoy, and bye.